Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Tuesday, August 9th, 2022. The time is just before 9. I'm going to fire everything up. The close is, or the open rather. I'm past the open, so it looks like it's making a move down. Oil's kind of sideways. I'm going to hold off on that. Looks like the NASDAQ is going down too. Here she's doing a pullback. See if the sellers are got it. Yep. Got it on a different. If I should
Order submitted.
There it is. Oh yeah, it's moving down. Push down. One more push.
Order
There
canceled.
we go.
Order canceled.
Okay, yes. I might have to switch this one to 5 and 20. We'll set to yesterday's quick pace. Turn it back on. Let's see what we got. See if it reasserts itself. It should catch it now. I haven't got oil
Order
on.
filled.
I'm just going to hit the NQ and the ES. Yeah, there you go.
Order canceled.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. I want to see that move down. Don't think it's gonna. Yeah, maybe. I'm not gonna get
Order
antsy.
filled.
Okay. Let's see what we got here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I wanted that on again. Yeah, it's gonna go back up. I'm gonna put the stop right there. Come on, let's go back down. Gosh. Come on. You want to go back down. Fours, fives, phooey. I want to see some threes. Some threes. Twos. Ones are good. Twos are better. Not sixes. There we go. Come on. Oh, ones. Reassert. Come on, sellers. There you go. Come on. Gain some steam. Overtake the buyers at this moment. She's buyers are sitting in there pushing. Yep. That was a really bad spot. Come on. There we go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. 98s. 97s. No, no, no. Don't go back up. You could just see them battle. You could just see the battle going on between them to find out who's going to win. You see how it's just right in that corner. And then it's like a springboard. Poof. Come on, reassert, sellers. Reassert. Look, they're just duking it out right there.
Order
Look at
canceled.
that. They just duked it out. That was Evander Holyfield and Mike Tyson at their prime. Come on, 87s, 80s, 89s, 86s, 84s. Let's go. Little run. 84s, 85s, let's 83s. Nope, done.
Order canceled.
Done, 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 done. 59 and 28. Hey, or 52 rather. I will take that. I did get in, like I said, really early today. But it's 9:01, and we just made, let's see, $7,000 roughly. So this one here, commissions was 244, and we made 5,200. So that is roughly 5,000, 92%, $161,000 for the month. And yes, let's look at that. Okay, that is 2,800. So you're looking at 27 roughly. Yeah, 100% on that one. 85,000 for the month. So I can't sneeze at that. So, all right. Thanks for watching. I'll keep making the videos.